Right, so hands up who has bought about 30 pairs of jeans since they started dieting or started going to the gym, or worn through jeans just from doing normal stuff. And hands up who has to buy skater jeans with a massive baggy ass just because you've got thick thighs. Normally, the jeans that are on offer for anybody with any degree of muscularity or any weight loss journey they're going through, they're not great. The straight cut, the boot cut, whilst they can look pretty good, you have to spend a lot of money to get a good pair of jeans. I'm yet to be proven otherwise on cheap jeans. Cheap jeans are fine, but if you want jeans that fit nicely and look nice, unfortunately you have to pay quite a bit for them. Next up, trying to get ones that fit properly when you have slightly larger build than normal people can be tricky. A lot of companies have recently started to go into the athletic cuts with slightly larger quads, slightly larger calf areas, but really I've tried a few of them and I've either returned them or I've had to ditch them because I've worn through them too quickly because the material hasn't been great. So right now I'm wearing a pair of pretty decent, what you might call fitness jeans. These are GASP jeans. But I've got a pair of Olympvs athletic fit stretch denim jeans. Now, these are designed to be able to be trained in. And just to try that claim out, I have done some Atlas stone loading in them, some squatting, some assault bike work, some rowing and some burpees to try them out, and some front squats. Now, I wouldn't train in them because training in jeans is a bit odd. But it's nice to know that you can. The thing that makes these a bit different is that athletic stretch denim is crazy stretchy. Whilst they look like jeans material, and to some degree they do feel like jeans, they have a crazy amount of give. Any stretch in the jeans over time becomes a more and more worn in pale patch that appears. Now these don't seem to have that. The stretch appears to be very good. I've mostly worn them out in the crotch area. And that has come from, seriously, getting in and out of the car, which tends to be the time where you actually stretch out the most and sit down and put the most stretch on jeans. And sitting down too much is what wears the crotch in these out because they normally fit quite firm, quite snug. These in particular that you'll see me wearing in the video, they're a 34 waist. And, you know, in most normal jeans, I would be a 34 to a 36. 34 would be a squeeze. These fit great. They don't really feel like jeans. They have a jean feeling to them, but they're probably closer to a high quality pair of very lightweight joggers, and I think they look fantastic, and I have worn them again. It's one of these ones that I've worn almost solidly for a week without taking them off because of travel and work, in between showers and stuff like that, and they have done really well. I've only been washing them in a cold wash. And you know, I haven't had to iron or press them or anything like that, and they've been coming out fantastic. So, yeah, buying a pair of jeans online, buying a pair of jeans in general has become pretty much hopeless for most people who lift. The price range are quite high for most jeans. These come in, if you order them in advance before they produce them, you get them for about £65. If you buy them in stock, they're about £80. So you get a discount for pre-ordering these. Because they're designed in the UK and apparently they're made in Italy and then shipped back, so they do them on orders. So in terms of price, they're actually just priced with a reasonable mid-range pair of jeans. You know, in my opinion, a cheap pair of jeans is below 30 quid, mid-range is going to be up to 60, and then the top quality ones are going to be in the 65 plus range. So they're reasonably fairly priced. And yeah, I am good for wearing £10 pairs of jeans more often than not, so having these has been really nice. So yeah, my opinion on these, if you want to have a pair of jeans which is very comfortable, you can move around in, looks pretty damn good, fits pretty damn good, then I would splash out on them instead of doing what I used to do, which was to buy a new pair of jeans every couple of months at 20 to 30 quid. I think they're a really good brand, personally, and that's from somebody who has worn and does wear these types of jeans now fairly regularly. So between these and the GASP pair that I'm wearing at the moment, these are actually my favourite, my preferred. They are more comfortable, there's more freedom, and I just like the deeper colour. They look tidier. So yeah, my verdict on these would be give them a go. if they don't fit, you can always return them. But I will be getting another pair of these to wear in future. So yeah, I like them.